1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below. And if this is your first time on the channel, I'm Joey, and we've got a couple of cars on this channel. We got a 2006 Mustang, a 2008 Mustang, and a 2019 Mustang. Wanted to show you the trans is in, so we're going to show you how many gears are in this thing. So, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse. What transmission could it be? 5, 6, and 7. Reverse. Leave a comment below if you know what transmission this is. Stay tuned for more videos.
Say bye-bye.